Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the Vista. Enjoy the show. I'm out of your way. Talk about just sitting in the wind. Guys, I'm just standing still. I'm not even going forward. That's how windy it is. I'm just hovering. Jesus. I know. Look at this. I'm just right into the wind. Into the wind, full throttle. I'm not going anywhere. Yes, I'm landing. I guess I'm landing. Well, I can't go anywhere. It's like hitting a roadblock. I either go straight up or come back down. I'm landed. I landed right where I stopped. It's just too windy, guys. I don't know what's going on. But I guess that was the last flight for today. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button and we will catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.